Estimate the product 8.91 times 22.457 by rounding to the nearest one. We have 8.91 times 22.457. When we round 8.91 to the nearest one, we see that 8 is in the ones place, 9 is in the tenths place, 9 is 5 or higher, which means that we round the number of ones up from 8 to 9. So we will round 8.91 to 9. Rounding 22.457 to the nearest one, the 2 is in the ones place, 4 is in the next place to the right, the tenths place. The number 4 is 4 or lower, which means that we round down, which really means that we just keep the 2 ones here as 2 ones. So we'll round 22.457 down to 22, and when we carry out this multiplication then, we get 198 for the estimate of the product.